In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change text to speech on TikTok. First, we're gonna go ahead and launch TikTok. Next, we need to post a video. So we're gonna click at the very bottom middle, this plus button, either start recording a video, or from here, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video. And once we've chosen or recorded our video, we can go ahead and crop it to the length that we need it, and then go ahead and click next at the top right-hand corner. And then we just need to add some text to speech. So click the text button at the very bottom middle of your screen, and then go ahead and add whatever text to speech you would like. And then once we're done, we can just click this little person icon that looks like they're speaking.
Hope you are having a great day.
Now that will add text to speech to our video, and we can go ahead and select whichever person we would like to use.
Hope you are having a great day.
Hope you are having a great day.
Common ones that people use on TikTok a lot are Jesse,
Hope you are having a great day.
Scream,
Hope you are having a great day.
and Rocket.
Hope you are having a great day.
And that's just how easy it is to add text to speech. If this worked for you guys, please comment down below and let me know, and be sure to like this video. Everyone have a fantastic day.